Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy from Van Ahn Company. It's Monday, December 12th. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day. A very quiet trade. You got a sales announcement here this morning for soybeans once again, but it really wasn't enough to really trump the fact that Argentina is supposed to see some precipitation here in the next week. So they've been really dry for the last week, and then this upcoming week should be dry as well. And it's going to cause an issue sooner or later, probably in 2 or 3 weeks if they don't get that precipitation. But they did change that forecast that they should be getting that here, and that was just enough to really put the pressure onto the soybean market. You couldn't even fight back the weaker dollar, and so soybeans closing down 6.5 cents, nothing major, but definitely a tipping point here to see that South America is really doing okay. You're about 95% planted in Brazil, 50 or so percent planted in Argentina, and so the dryness has offered a lot of opportunity to get planted here, and this moisture coming after the planting would be really beneficial if we do see it materialize, and that's about a week out there. Brazil's off to a really good start as well. When you do see them shift to the moisture to the north for Argentina, it does look like Brazil might get a little bit dry, but they're doing okay soil moisture wise, so it shouldn't be too much of an issue. Domestically, Friday's crop report didn't offer us any details, and so really both corn and wheat struggling, but you had the US dollar down 60 cents, and that is supportive towards these markets, and so you were able to get those up just a little bit. Corn closing up just over a penny. Chicago wheat up about a penny as well, and then Minneapolis to Kansas City anywhere from steady to up about 2 cents there. So some support, but overall very quiet trade as you're searching for a direction, and you might not even get it until the January crop report. So it's really up to what Managed Money wants to do with these markets moving forward here into the holiday season. Over to the meat markets, positivity once again in the hog market, up 65 cents there. And then also cattle market, after being a little bit of a sell-off late last week, able to come back fiercely. Live cattle up 260, feeders up that as well. And those outside markets were favorable with the dollar down 60. Crude market up $2 to start the day off, as in fact it really comes out that OPEC, their decision to come together here, it sounds like more of a hard actual plan than anything else. So at first it was kind of a rumor, but it looks like maybe this is actually a plan now for them to cut production, and with that you had crude market up 2 full bucks, falling off here though this afternoon, only up about $1 at this time. And then over into the Dow market, slightly higher as well, and all those together offer some support. Moving forward, what we're going to see is just what Managed Money does over the week. You shouldn't be getting a whole lot of fundamental trade, and then you'll have to see how this weather pattern plays out for Argentina. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great weekend, or have a great day.